Hi everyone. Today, let us talk about an industry trend you can't afford to ignore: the evolution from window tints to paint protection films. In recent years, with the rise of private car ownership, window films have become standard. That market is now quite saturated. At the same time, consumer demand for personalization and paint protection is booming. PPF and color wraps are the new stars. The PPF market is growing at over 4% per year. This isn't just a hot trend, it's a clear long-term opportunity. So here's the question: who can really ride this wave? It all comes down to product positioning and supply chain strength. There are currently three types of players in the market. First, brands that control raw materials and operate their own factories. Second, brands that manufacture but source materials externally. Third, brands focused purely on marketing or white labeling. If you want long-term stability, you must control both materials and manufacturing processes. The core material of high-end PPF is TPU, known for anti-yellowing, high flexibility, and self-healing. Don't get lured by low prices on PVC or TPH. They often cause delamination or glue residue, doubling your after-sales risk. Many customers worry about installation damage. In fact, certified shops use trained staff and precision-cut machines. Glue residue usually means one thing: poor quality adhesive in cheap films. The future is not just about better films, but about better service and stronger reputations. To stay ahead, brands must invest in materials, engineering, installation, and after-sales support. If you are a distributor, shop owner, or looking for new business opportunities, talk to us today.